Alright y'all, so what we're going to make today happens to be one of my childhood favorites, grilled cheese. Been vegan for over 21 years and it was always hard to find a cheese that melted. Well, here it is. You can get this at all Plantega locations and it's something you might want to try. Not sure how you like your grilled cheese, but we're going to add onions, peppers, and parsley to make this official. A little bit of avocado. Put them on the side, we'll come back to those. I like using Miyoko's butter because not only does it melt perfectly, but it just tastes so clutch and creamy. So I'm gonna add enough to butter up all of this all at once. Just one on top. Maybe flip it on both sides. Make sure that that's nice and buttery. Next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna add the cheese. I'm gonna fold this so it doesn't hit the sides. Next thing you wanna add is your peppers and your onions. Pretty simple and plain. You wanna fold that all down. After you put that on top, just go ahead and just throw a top on it and keep that heat high. You might like avocado, maybe some tomatoes, maybe some raw onions on the side. You do you. Cheese is melted on the side. Look at that. Look at that. Special. Gotta add some balsamic vinegar. Gotta add parsley. Wouldn't be completed without tomato soup. So, like I said, one of my favorite things growing up. Definitely happy to try this one. I'm going to try this one at home. After making all that prettiness, I just throw it all in.